Hello Falcon students who are learning from home. This video gives you directions for your assignments for this week. As you know, we are on Schoology, and then go to the week 6 folder, October 12th through 16th. So when you are at home, you need to click on the at home folder. Remember, do not click on this in-person assignments folder until you are in school. These should only be done on your days that you're in school, and this other at-home folder needs to be done while you are at home. That's where you clicked to find this video, so I think you already know how to do it. Great job. I will always have the to-do list, and it will remind you to read 10 minutes each day from your own book of choice. If you need a new book, you need to go to Sora or Destiny to check out an ebook if needed. A reminder of where the ebooks or the links for ebooks are located. If you go back to our ELA page, in the ELA resources folder, you'll click there and you'll see the link for checking out books. And here are the links and directions for Sora, Destiny, and Flipster for magazines. While you are at home, I would like you to read a novel or a nonfiction book and not just a magazine. So please go to Sora or Destiny if you do not have a book to read. Okay, back to our at-home folder in week 6, at home. So remind you to read 10 minutes each day. Also, you'll need to fill out your Read 10 tracking log on Wednesday. That used to be on Fridays, but if we can fill that out on Wednesdays now, that would be great. And then you need to watch this lesson like you are doing. Your first assignment is the Central Idea assignment for the Kid President video. So you'll click here, and here are the directions. Last week we watched the Kid President video about making a new friend, and you worked on determining the main idea. You may have determined that the central idea was people who are different can still become friends. Or you may have determined that the central idea was making new friends is awkward at first, but that is very normal. Both of these answers could be correct as the central idea of that video we watched. As long as you can support your thinking about the central idea with details from the video, we call that text evidence, then you have a strong answer. In this assignment, you will see details in boxes on the bottom of the slide that you will decide which central idea they support. Then you will drag the text box and put it underneath the central idea it supports. Here's what your assignment looks like. It's a graphic organizer. It says which details support which central idea. Drag the details under the central idea they support. So here are 2 different central ideas from the Kid President video from last week. If you need to watch the video again because you don't remember, you may click on the blue link down here and it will take you to YouTube for the Kid President Making Friends video. So one central idea is people who are different can still become friends. So you need to find 3 details below in these boxes that support this central idea. So let's look at the first one. Robbie was 12 and Donna was 14. This shows that they are different, yet they are still becoming friends, we know from the video. So yes, this is an example of how people are different. So you'll need to find then 2 more details out of these boxes that support the idea that the people in the video were different, yet they still became friends. Then the other central idea is making new friends can be awkward at first, but that is very normal. Pick 4 details from below. So you'll need to read all of these boxes and determine which ones fit this main idea. So Robbie wore a suit. This detail does not support the idea that making friends can be awkward at first, but that is very normal. Does it support that people who are different can still become friends? No. It's just a fact that Robbie was wearing a suit. So this is an extra detail that does not go in either box. So let's read through, and I can find right away the word awkward kind of gives away this detail. Will probably go under this central idea. Let's see. Robbie felt awkward when he accidentally hit Donna in the head with a baseball. This supports the central idea that making new friends can be awkward at first, but that is very normal. So drag this up here. Then you will need to find 3 more details from these boxes that support this central idea and drag them up here. That is your first assignment. Your second assignment is the Friendship Guiding Questions assignment. When you open that, you will see the directions are here, and they are also written in the assignment. So I will go to the assignment. It says, before we dig into this unit, you will record your initial thinking for each of the following guided questions. These questions will guide our discussion next week and throughout the unit. Be prepared to share your answers. So when answering the questions, make sure you do these things. Elaborate and explain your thinking. This means your answer should be thoughtful and detailed. You need to write 1 to 3 complete sentences for each question. So in each box, 1 to 3 complete sentences. No skull and crossbones errors. Remember our lesson last week. These are errors in capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. You need to make sure that you do not have these errors so I can grade it. You might want to use the Grammarly extension if your spell check doesn't seem to be working. So you'll read through the questions and just write your thinking over here in complete sentences. How do you make and maintain, which means keep friends? So how do you make and keep friends? So you'll write over here, I think the way to make friends is this, and I think the way to keep friends is that. You'll type your answer here. And you'll go through each question. There are 7 questions, and please, like I said, make sure you use complete sentences and fix your skull and crossbone errors. Make sure you submit this assignment and your other assignment through Schoology, and that is all you have for your at-home work this week. See you in class on your in-person days. Don't forget, you can come to our Google Meet help session on Wednesdays. The code is Shreve Help, and the times to meet are anytime between 9:30 and 11 or 1 to 2:30. Again, the code is Shreve Help, and I have that written on the folder also. Thanks. Bye-bye.